Hi everyone, Martin here from martinsmayhem.blogspot.com. I hope you are well. So today we're going to be creating this cute little gift tag that coordinates with a card that I made here. So you've got a coordinated card and tag. So shall we get started? Let's move the tag over here. So we're using all the exact same elements even that we did in the card in the tag. So I've got a piece of Mango Melody, and that just measures 5 inches by 2¼ or 5½ by just over 12½. And then I've got a piece of gingham paper in the coordinating colour, and that measures just 1/4 inch smaller. So that's just under 12½ centimetres by just over 5 centimetres. So just going to adhere that down with some snail adhesive. Pop that on like so. Ta-da! That's the background done. Nice and easy. I'm going to bring in a stitch shaped piece of granny apple green, and I'm going to adhere this down with 3 dimensionals, and that's just going to be like so, and peel the backs off, and then that's just going to sit in the centre but close to the edge, and that's just going to hang off, and we're just going to chop all of this down like so. So using the edge of the Mango Melody just to support your scissors, you're going to cut that down like so. So then what I've done is, because I've already recorded a video on this card on how I coloured in the roses from the Tea Together stamp set, so I've already gone ahead and pre-done another one, but as you can see I haven't bothered with this side because it's going to get chopped off. So grab a dimensional just to sit at the bottom like so, and that's just going to sit in the middle of the granny apple green, and I quite like it coming off the edge slightly just so then we can get some more of the roses in. Turn it round and again snip it off like so. I have lost my antennas. No I haven't, it's here. So I've already shown how to do the antennas, and the video is linked in the description bar below, and I've just got a teeny tiny bit. Fold that in half. Grab a dimensional. Secure that down. Just peel off the other end. And feed that under like so. So that's the easy bit. While we're here, we're going to quickly punch a hole. Now I'm using a crocodile just so I can get a big enough hole. Like so. And then taking the flux ribbon, fold it in half and poke that through. Now you do want to leave it slightly longer because there will be some fraying, and all you're going to do is feed the 2 ends through the loop like so, like that. And I wouldn't recommend you pulling it because of how thick it is. All I do is just roll it round, roll it through, and then just lift it there like so. And that's just so then we're not ripping the card. Bringing in my paper snips, I'm just going to cut at 2 angles like so, and again just cut at 2 angles. And now I'm going to bring in the exact same sentiment, you mean the world to me, and I'm just going to place that across the card like so. Card, tag, and I'm just going to adhere that down with some snail. I've got some on the wrong side, that's okay. Just fold that under. And then just put that in the centre like so. So you might find that this bit wants to stick to the card, but we want there to still be some dimensional. So I'm just going to grab a mini dimensional and just pop that behind like so. Just so then that can adhere that down without it wanting to stick. And then again, turn it round and snip them off. And to finish the card off, just so we're using every element as we did before, just going to grab some rhinestones and just place 3 around the curvature of the circle, like so. And there you have today's tag. I hope you enjoyed today's tag. Why not pop into the description bar below where you can see how I coloured in the roses and created the coordinating card that you see there, as well as see a full list of the items used, as well as links to my online shop as to where you can purchase them. While you're down there, like, comment and subscribe, and why not share to your social media so everybody can see how super quick and easy it is to make such a fun card, or tag even, same thing. I'll see you later, bye.